Right, I just imported this big block Chevy from the States, Corvette. It's actually a 68, but it's got the later model rear end and front because what happened in the mid-70s, basically they thought the front and chrome rear bumper ones were old-fashioned, and a lot of them wanted to make their Corvette look more modern. And but my mate Rowdy just picked this up from, we picked up from Christchurch. I've just thrown the jumper leads onto a battery in the car, and I'm going to give the turn, because it's not often they ever go when you bring them from the States, but this baby seems okay. I don't know yet, it's got a 4x4 now, but it's awesome to it's got the later model it's got the front, it's a roadster too. It's got the rear hard top that unbolts on and off, and check out this 454. And the front, so I'm not sure what year the front was off, but I love it when you bring a car back from the States. When it all goes, I imported a 73 Roadrunner for 440. It was real rough, but I started up in Christchurch with the muscle car madness in it. And awesome.